This is the crypto bullshit market. Interesting times. A lot of good news coming out, but price keeps going down. We try to figure out why. What?
It's revealed when it gets hot.
Ah. Interesting. Gina, roll the intro.
Got me. Hola! Is your boy, Big Rob, back in the house. Welcome to Sin City Crypto, home of the It's Okay, We'll Bounce Back entertainment focused cryptocurrency channel. You know, we are here again back at 105. Not quite down to that exact number, but this was the place that we went and visited. Seems like a long time ago when Bitcoin fell off of this little cliff here.
Such a good place.
It went from 120 and dropped all the way down to what looks like 109 here, but essentially it did wick down to 105, which here on the channel we're like, that's not good. Why? Because more than likely we'll go back down to 105, and then there it was 105 again. We made some ground and thought that was in the rear view, and well,
I was saying,
you kept saying 96.
You said sub 1,000.
You said 96. I still adamantly believe, and I will probably lose a lot of money if I'm wrong. I adamantly believe that we will stay over $100,000, particularly 105. It has just been, it's just been that hard bounce point there. So
Hard. You know what? Let's try to have some fun today, okay? Send in your confessions.
Hey, it's confession day. What up, Ashley?
Confession day.
Hey, I'm here.
Welcome to the club.
Yeah.
Did you lose a lot of money in crypto today too?
I haven't checked. Allow me to check real quick.
Yeah, check your portfolio. It's got to be big.
Yeah. What's your portfolio total? I'm just curious.
A cheeseburger. It's not even a portfolio.
Is that $12?
It's $18.27.
$18. There you go.
It's not even a portfolio.
Thank
Look,
you.
Holy crap.
Thank you.
We have some potential good news. Here's your good
Can
news.
somebody send her some crypto?
Shut up, so I can.
I
no.
would, but
People are broke. Send me
I'm
crypto.
upside down right now.
Send me crypto.
Send me crypto. We broke. Okay. I bought some crypto today. Anyways, let's look at Bitcoin. Potential good news here. A little bullish divergence on the hourly time frame. Higher lows on the RSI, lower lows on the price action.
I'm actively trying to catch this drop. I'm having moderate failure success, but
Moderate failure success.
yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's interesting terminology. Well,
I'm telling you, there's a reversal coming here. Now, how big of a reversal? How short of a bounce is it? Is it a clean bounce? I don't know, but I feel pretty confident that the down here is very, very close to the bottom here for whatever this little pullback is. So I think 105 would be the absolute bottom for me.
the absolute bottom now. If
Absolute
we have one
vanilla vodka bottom.
we have one high volume point here on the hour shut up time frame. And that is 106.128. We had roughly 6,000 Bitcoin bought here. The last time price went down this low. Let's look at the last couple times. Time number one, 5% rally. Huge. Massive. Time number two, I mean, depending on where you want to stop the rally, I guess the initial move was 5%, but that was when Bitcoin went from 106 and it ran all the way up to 116. Remember, this is on the hour time frame, so we're already seeing a little bit of a wick down here. So we'll buy or step in at 106.1. I think the frustration with people is you see stuff like this, right? No, you see where is it? You see stuff like this.
Are they kissing?
No, he's like, hey, you got to buy my coin, Trump coin. Hey, maybe that's why Trump coin went up. He was just in China. Listen, I think the frustration with people lies in this.
Trump coin did rally pretty well
I
lately.
know. I think people's frustration is this, and I think it's and people have the right to say this looks like a bear market. Why?
You have no rights up in here.
We pull back on negative news. China, we're adding 100% more tariffs. The back and forth, markets panic and price drops, right? And then when you see news like this, where they essentially are coming to agreements, the price continues to go down. It's supposed to rally, right? It's like in bear markets, you know, it's a bear market when even positive news doesn't affect the price and negative news amplifies.
That's right.
Vice versa is true as well. Positive news pumps the price. Negative news doesn't really affect the price. So this is what's leading a lot of people to say this is the end of the cycle on top of the actual timing and where we're at. I want to show a video from Mr. Hogan, Matt Hogan, Chief Investment Officer of Bitwise. And then we'll come back and we will talk about where we are in the cycle. And I know we do this every week, but prices are down, new information's out. Maybe our minds have changed. I don't know. We'll see. This is Matt Hogan.
4-year cycle. Is it over?
Yeah.
Ooh.
It's over.
Okay, hold on. Explain.
Well, I mean, so my view of the 4-year cycle is you have a catalyst that brings new pools of capital in. So 2011, it was the launch of Coinbase. Retail investors could buy Bitcoin, new capital, then leverage builds up and eventually it pops. 2015, the introduction of Ethereum. 2019, DeFi. 2023, it was Grayscale winning its lawsuit in March against the SEC. We're going to get ETFs bringing in capital. The reason I think it's probably not going to play out over 4 years is I think that's a longer inflow of capital than retail hot ball of money, which was the past 3. And then secondly, we have yet another of those catalysts in November, which is the election completely changing the game in terms of institutional adoption. So even if the ETF-driven cycle would have built up, leveraged, and popped and receded, we have this second tidal wave that's just so much bigger than that first one. It's gonna overwhelm it. So will there be, pullbacks? We're seeing one now as leverage comes out of the system, of course. But the election was such a sea change that it's like, it doesn't matter. Yes, there may be this natural thing, but it's just going to get bulldozed over. That doesn't mean we've repealed pullbacks, but I think this cycle is going to be much longer than people think. I definitely don't think this pullback is the end. I think 2025 will be a great year. I think 2026 will be a great year. I think 2027 will be a great year, and we'll see about 2028.
So obviously this was over a year ago with Matt Hogan. Before we have this discussion, I want to give a big thank you. Today's show is brought to you by Stake.us, the #1 social casino in the world. If you, Rob, I think he's playing blackjack right now on the Stake mobile app, which, by the way, you should download. It's on Apple and Android. Go in there.
Let me ask you.
Claim your free daily stake cash.
No. If you have a 12 on blackjack, dealer has a 4 showing,
I'm hitting. Yeah.
Okay.
Anyways, the link's in the description. Sign up. Thank you. Okay. A little bit of prophecy here. Matt Hogan over a year ago. 2025 is going to be a great year. Cycle is going to be longer. Rob, what are your thoughts?
Well, you asked me a question.
Well,
And
because
then
I didn't finish asking the question.
Then why'd you pause?
Okay, good.
So, I've already said it. I've already prophesized it. I've already written it down, tattooed it. The 4-year cycles are gone. They're done. I'm 100% conviction on this one. There you go.
What does that mean? What does that mean for someone who is like, well, what do you mean the 4-year cycle is done?
Well, the reason I say that is because there's big money at play. So big money does 2 things. 1, they don't panic sell. And 2, they buy when there's a very strong perceived value. In the same way that you can look at something like Tesla stock, you can say, hey, this is overvalued. It's in kind of a bubble territory. It's not going to collapse and drop 90%. It's not going to collapse and drop 80%. But what'll happen is smart money, they'll come in and buy it once it drops. They're not opposed to taking on long-term risk.
When you say smart money, are you talking about like institutions?
Yeah, the people that, let's just be honest. The everyday people, the traders, they get scared, right? They get shaken out, especially if they carry leverage. They know that there's a potential to lose all of their money, so they sell early. Or you got the exact opposite. People just leverage and then get liquidated. Or if they're in the stock market, they just keep their position open and, well, they ride that thing down to a contract close that's pretty ugly. Lose a lot of their money. But what ends up happening here is that institutions, even now we have nation states, you also have banks and giant companies. You have some of the world's largest companies, asset managers. They're going to step in and buy every time that there's a large drop and the perceived value of Bitcoin becomes so apparent you can't ignore it. And so for me, I say to you, like, for that reason, there will not be a deep bear market. There just won't be. Not in the way that it was before, with every 4 years.
So are you saying we're in kind of a mini bear market, or are you saying what?
We will get. There's never going to be a situation where Bitcoin is nothing but up and to the right. There will always be pullbacks, especially on the macro, and those will be bear markets, yes. But when people talk about 4-year cycle, you know what they're talking about. You know exactly what they mean. When someone says, hey, is this the 4-year cycle? You know what they're expecting. They're expecting Bitcoin to get crazy rally, go up parabolically, hit a very high number, shock people, and then ultimately collapse and pull back somewhere between 60 and 85%.
So that's over.
That is over. One, because the position of these large companies, for the most part, require them, not by law, but just by how they're set up, they require them to rotate out and move profits from gains that are in Bitcoin into other assets because of how they diversify portfolios and their allocation. And so as the price goes up, there will be selling by the smart money, the big money, whatever it is. If gold were to go up by 5x, there will be so much selling of gold by the smart money. It's not that they don't believe in it. It's just their allocation is going to diversify. And it will mitigate the price of gold going up by 5x. So that's why it doesn't. At the same time, if gold were to drop by 40%, buyers will come in and buy it. And it's the same with Bitcoin. But we never had that before. Before, it was just a bunch of booger-eating, Dorito snacking guys over here with their keyboards, like, oh my God, sell, 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 buy. Like and we saw it in the charts. People got really excited about Bitcoin. They bought a crap of it. And then they, got scared and they also sold. Or they're just irresponsible and leveraged it way too high, or trusted it with the wrong person and then lost it all. Those days are gone. Now, people are still going to do that, but the percentage of the Bitcoin market cap is now shifted. We look at it all the time. You talk about like the inflows of BlackRock. BlackRock now, who owns most of Bitcoin now? Think about it. BlackRock, the ETFs, and private companies. And then you also got countries like the US. So that's who holds Bitcoin now. And you think they're the ones selling from 120 to 105? No. They're holding strong.
They holding real strong. I was looking at I actually agree with you. You know, it's funny. I was saying we're not going to see 70% drawdowns in Bitcoin, and you laughed at me.
Yeah, there's not.
I know, but you laughed at me when I said it.
Isla?
Yes.
Sometimes I change my tune. Ask me again tomorrow. I'll probably laugh at you again.
Just laugh now. Get it out. Okay.
Ashley, what you doing over there?
Trying to get people to send in confessions.
What do they got to do?
Oh,
What's it about?
You're very quiet today. You okay?
Tell us a story.
A story.
Yeah. How was your day today? The people watching, their portfolios are down. Money's down.
Let's take a break from crypto.
Let's take a break from crypto. We want to know, what did Ashley do today? Ashley, please.
You have 4.5 minutes. The floor is yours. Tell us something funny.
Give her 5 minutes.
We'll give you 5 minutes. Give us a confession.
I don't have anything funny.
You don't got no confession?
I swear to God, if you're lame, you're never coming on the show again. Tell us about your day. What's some cool thing that happened over the weekend?
Nothing fun happened this weekend, but today, let me tell you, it's chilly outside. My tires are chilly, okay? So I decide, let me be a good boy and go put some air in my tires, right? I go to one place, they fill them up. It still shows it's low. I go to a different place, and they're
where did you go? Like a discount tire or something?
What is it
Because you know you can go to
called?
the gas station and just do it yourself, right?
You think I know how to do that?
Because you don't need no man, remember? I don't
exactly.
need no man.
I
don't need no man.
Anyways,
I'm a strong.
Jesus Christ.
I got the bones.
Anyways, every time I go to the damn tire place, they treat me like I'm stupid because I'm just a girl, okay?
Fair enough.
I know.
But you're
Dumb.
not stupid. You're actually very smart.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Anyways, so then I decide to say screw you, and I go to a different one, and they're still low. And then they're like, do you even know what kind of car you drive? Do you know the model of your car?
Well,
Was
they asked you what model of the car for
It
air,
says
for
on
air?
the car.
For air on the tires.
What size of this motor on here? I need to calibrate the air pressure correctly.
Like, what do you even mean? What do you mean? It says on
Why
the
do I feel some dude was probably just trying to flex on you? He's all like,
100%.
you know what kind of car you got, girl?
Like,
It ain't what I got in the back right there. You know, your boy got a Hellcat, 2007 one. It's got 145,000 miles
why are
on
you
it.
asking me
But I
what
can take
kind
you
of
out to
car I
dinner.
have? It quite literally says on the car what kind of car it is. Do you need the engine?
Well, the only reason I would assume they would need to know is because of the different tire pressure. But anyways, yeah.
but
the
it says
car's
on
right
the
there.
door.
Yeah.
Open the door. It says 33. I could have told you that.
I got a bicycle pump in the back of the garage over here. Next time you let me know, you won't be out there.
Anyways. What the fuck was that?
It's a bicycle pump, bro.
Okay, anyway.
It's the one where you push down like this.
Bicycle pump for car tires. Please continue.
Hey, if you
So
want to be
it's supposed to
strong, your boy get about 1,500 reps filling up one
Rob,
tire, bro.
Typical Rob. We give someone 5 minutes, he hijacks it. Ashley, please continue.
I don't know if I have anything else. All I know is this
What,
guy
did you
was
get the air
trying-
in the tires?
I did, but
The
it's
second
still
guy?
showing that it's low.
Okay, well, you need to drive, I think, 20 miles for it to reset.
Will you explain?
But I watched all of them reset in like real time.
Oh, on the dash?
Yeah,
Turn your
except
car
for
off
that
and then turn it
one.
back on, and then it should.
I did.
But what model car do you have to turn it on?
I don't know. I don't know what kind of car I have.
You don't know where you drove?
What's the lamest pickup line a dude's ever used on you?
I don't think I have. I don't think I have any.
Want to see how much Bitcoin I own?
Hey, girl, have you ever heard of Pengu?
Hey, I got an extra toothbrush for you.
Someone said that?
Mm-hmm.
That's pretty gay.
I know.
That person is gay. Why? Where is that guy, by the way? I know we've veered off topic here. I don't care. What happened to that "you are gay" guy? Do you know? Didn't he launch a meme coin and then rugged
He
it?
did launch a meme coin. I don't know if he rugged it or not.
No, he
I'm
rugged it.
assuming.
Yeah, he rugged it.
But,
You hear Tom
anyway-
Crown's getting sued?
Oh, yeah? By who?
Yes, James Wynn, the guy who sounds like a retarded dwarf.
Oh, that guy. The one that the Matrix profile?
Yes, yeah. He's suing Tom Crown. Tom Crown. I don't know any lawyers, but I'm rooting for you, man.
I'll represent you. I'll pull up my AI agent on
Virtuals.
virtuals. Please defend my brother in arms.
Okay, I do not drive a Toyota Corolla or a Honda Accord. Thank you very much.
You would be honored to drive a Toyota. Thank you very much. Anyway.
Will you inform our viewers, people that are new here, what the hell confession is and what do they have to do and what do they get for sending them in?
No money.
Are we giving people
We're
something?
Broke. We're broke.
No, you can give them some love. Whatever personal.
You can
Give them some love. And
Whatever
Altima,
personal-
girl. Y'all are just offending me at this point.
We're sorry.
They're saying I drive an Altima. That's
How about
rude.
this? If y'all guess, if you can accurately guess what car Ashley has,
That's fair.
I will personally send you
There we go.
$50.
Good boy.
And
Personally,
if you guess
there's
the
the word.
color, and if you parlay it and guess the color, I'll send you 100.
Ooh.
Okay, I'm ready.
I don't think anyone's gonna guess, so it's okay.
Well, how many people have been to our studio? Maybe you've seen your car. Well, not no one.
No.
Okay, interesting. All right. Okay, Rob.
it's a- that's a good game.
you got 10 minutes. Okay, 10 minutes. We got 10 minutes. We're not gonna run this. We don't want the whole chat to be nothing but car.
You got some money for me? What if I guess your car?
It's got to be make and model, not just the.
Oh yeah, you want the vintage too?
No, I'm saying like you can't just. Because it'll be easy just to say what car brand it is, but you got to go make and model,
You're
bro.
trying Chevy Sonic. That was Rob's old car.
That was one of my old cars.
A Mazda? No.
What if someone gets the
Mazdas
color?
are cheap. I don't
200?
drive cheap cars.
If someone
That's
gets
a
the
hint.
color,
No, I
at
said
200?
if they parlay the color, I'll give them 100.
Come on, let me spend your money, man. Give an extra 100 if they guess the color too.
No,
Three like parlay.
you can throw it. I already said. I said the color was $100.
AI's down, man. I'm broke. All right. Actually, I bought some this morning. Anyways, okay, please.
Anyways, send in your confessions, please. It's pinned in the chat. Send in your confessions. We'll talk about you. We'll give you
What is a
advice if
confession?
you would like it. What do you mean? What is a confession?
Explain to the viewer.
Tell me something about you.
It'll be anonymous.
It could be crypto related. It could be love related. If you need some advice, girl related, boy related. I don't know what you're into. Things like that.
Maybe you need air in your tires.
Maybe I can help you.
A lot of Mercedes. She just showed you $13 in her bank account, guys. Come on.
Well, that's the reason there's only $13.
The
Mercedes payments are high.
It goes both ways.
Remember, make and model.
Goes both ways.
Make and model.
Yeah, no one.
Honda Accord, or what I'm saying.
No one's
like,
even close. Everyone's saying Mercedes.
no clues.
Can I get
Trying to keep my money.
One clue.
No clues.
What part of the world is the car from?
No, I'm just saying. Like,
No, because that gives it away. What part of the world?
no, no clues.
Okay, fine.
Anyways,
Okay.
let's get back to it.
What were we
got?
talking about?
Crypto.
Okay.
Bitcoin's at 107.4.
Oh, hell yeah, we're back. Can we get the
Bouncing.
Can we get the bullhorns here, Gina? The bull market's back. Bow, 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 bow.
I don't think we have that sound effect.
We don't? What happened to all our sound effects?
I have claps. I can give you claps.
You got the clap, huh? Good job, Gina. We don't offer insurance yet through the company, but when we do, you should go get that checked out.
Oh my God.
Rob? What? Also, we need an HR department.
We do need an HR department.
100%. Yeah.
A 2007 Hummer is what Eddie guessed.
White Hyundai Elantra, Subaru Forester, only if she was a lesbian, Volvo. You know Volvos. I don't know what today's show is, but I'm having fun. You know,
I love a Volvo.
the new
What? I'll take any color, white.
That's it.
Black.
Is white? Okay, white, black. Okay.
There's the yeah.
You know the Volvos. The Volvos can actually parallel park themselves right into the slot. Pretty cool.
A Ford Fiesta. No.
Geo Metro. What the fuck are you guys guessing, bro?
I remember that, bro. Actually,
She's
do you know,
20.
do you know what
She's in her early 20s.
Well, someone guessed a Pinto earlier. Aren't those old as hell too?
Yeah, but that's more of a like, hey, you're broke, you got a Pinto, which I get, I get it.
the pinto bean.
Yeah. Shout out to CP. It's the new Jimmy in here, bro. My boy's been straight super chatting the hell out of us today. He's lately.
A Kia Soul? That's just rude.
Anyways, can I please acknowledge our friend who gave us
ahead.
money? We're so back 10 minutes at least. Thank you. We'll take what we can get, 10 minutes, 5 minutes, a second, as long as the job's finished. We also had Magic. Oh, Magic Internet Money. Wait, is that the real Magic Internet Money? It is a real Magic Internet Money. With the 666. Come on, bro. Come on, man. I'm Jesus Christ, my Lord and Savior. What are you doing here, guys? Gold fell 71% when the market had only 3.7 trillion at the start of the 80s. I disagree. Bitcoin cannot have 60 to 85% pullbacks. Maybe you're right, dude. I think, in my opinion, the only way we see that big of a pullback in Bitcoin is if if there's like a recession or something. Then yeah.
I do think that you will find 60% pullbacks in Bitcoin moving forward, 65, even 7%. If you go right to the very peak and then, but the big falls, the big drops, just like we had in 2021, I don't think we're going to see those big unwindings, at least not in the short term. I do see a scenario, say we get to $400,000 on Bitcoin, let's just say, as an example. I think that over a course of like 8 to 10 months, you trade back down to say like 185. I can see that, which would be about a 60-70%.
Maybe. I don't know. I just think if it's not a recession and the people that have been buying Bitcoin at 120, 140, 180, 190, 200, if they see a 150 and they bought at 200, they're probably going to try to bring their cost bases down. That's just my thinking. I could be wrong. I don't know. Okay. Crunch said public bus.
You got it. You win.
Trick question. The long bus or the short bus? Okay. Let's talk about this. Bisol. Wasn't that the name of like a Prosecco or something? Bisol?
It is.
Yeah. Bisol did more volume on day 2. Interesting. Solana's seeing some good numbers. 72 million in volume, Rob. Good sign. I didn't see what Hedera or Litecoin did, but I don't think it's anywhere close to what we're seeing here with Solana. So, guys, institutions are telling you they want Solana. And I've kind of said this, like, once all these ETFs go live, we're always go back and forth. Institutions want this, they want this. They'll tell you what they want with their money. Once the ETFs go live, as you'll start seeing some of those flows. Let's talk some macro. Amazon just announced that 30,000 people are going to be losing their jobs. Rob, the great AI displacement looks like it's happening, my friend. UPS, 48,000 employees. Amazon, 30. Intel, 24. Nestle, 16. Who's going to make those delicious chocolate chip cookies? And then so on and so forth, all the way down. The labor market is clearly weakening. The Fed is in a really messed up spot. The labor market is tanking. Inflation is ever so slowly and tinily. I know that's not a shut up. I know that's not a word. Going up. That, my friends, and if the economy is stagnating, it's called stagflation, and, well, we're kind of fucked. It could last maybe 5 to 8 years. I don't know. But what we do know is any sign of trouble, what does the Fed like to do? Throw money around. The money printer. It goes on. Update on December's FOMC meeting, guys. Currently, we're at 375 to 400 basis points. Only a 72% chance we see another 25 basis point rate cut. Government's still closed. What do you think? What do you think our Congress people are doing with their time off, Rob? Like, what do you think Elizabeth Warren is doing? You think she's fishing? If you had to guess, you think she's like watching movies, playing board games? Maybe she got a Brazilian wax.
I don't know. I feel like she's in the basement of her house, like sacrificing goats or something.
That's up.
Yeah.
All right. Ashley, you let us know when you have confessions and we'll cut over to you. Okay. Do you have confessions?
Not right now.
No. Okay. All right.
Nobody sent any?
No, nobody's sending it. They're all trying to guess, but they're all wrong. So
Robin will give away $1,800 to someone who sends in a confession.
ooh,
I ain't giving away no $1,800.
Oh, my bad.
why not?
Portfolio down.
Only if it's to a Mercedes, you know?
You love me a Mercedes.
Facts.
Looking at that new GT Mercedes.
That's hot.
Way too expensive. But I was looking at it.
Your window's
It
up,
looks
man.
nice.
Looks good from afar, but far from good. All right, let's talk about this. Ash, you might be too young, but Rob, remember William Shatner? Star Trek?
Yeah.
What if I told you Bill is launching a coin?
Who is?
William Shatner.
Oh, yeah.
Did you see it?
I have not, no.
Okay, here you go. Please see it.
Hello, I'm William Shatner. You can call me Bill. I've spent a lifetime changing media, and now I'm about to do it again in a really big way. I'm launching a token, and I know what you're thinking. Oh, no, not another celebrity token, another pump and dump scheme where the star keeps all of the supply. This is not that. It is not that. I'm launching an entirely new kind of token, the very first of its kind, a token that's going to forever change Hollywood. A token to, forgive me again, boldly go where no token has gone before. So, what's a media token? Well, it's music, film, interviews, photos, anything digital, but only the owner can access the content. In this case, every single dollar bill token represents my film, capturing me on stage, sharing my story, particles of my life, and call my token what it is. It's the bill token written dollar bill. We call them dollar bills. You can buy this brand new media token at dollarbill.io, not .com, and only while the inventory lasts. This is the only way to launch my story with me on stage. Own it, hold it, be part of history, because this time the story belongs to all of us. And trust me, this mission has only just begun.
You know, when someone has to consistently say, it's not a scam, it's not a scam, guys, it's not a scam, I don't know. I thought we were done with the celebrity bullshit, man.
Like, trust me, I tell the truth. Trust me, I tell the truth. I would never lie. I don't trust people like that. You know what I'm saying?
Just tell the truth. What are your thoughts on old Bill over there, Rob? Are you going to be buying some Bill token?
No.
Me neither.
No.
Any other commentary?
No. My question here just kind of brings up a thought is, do you think the creator meme coin craze pops back up, say by the end of the year?
You know what's funny? The pump.fun thing was, how long was that meta?
I don't know, but pump.fun was rallying yesterday.
There's someone at the door, by the way. Yeah.
Let's see, where is pump.fun right
like
now?
The creators are launching the coins and people were making money.
Okay.
But now I'm sure there's some people still making money. But that meta these metas are fading very quickly. We can't even get like 3 weeks. Can't even get a month. It's like a week. And then everyone sells off. Everyone's skittish. No one wants to hold anything. Seriously, that's what I'm seeing, bro. I'm seeing everyone is nervous. People are scared. They don't want to hold shit for longer than a week. And if they make 20%, like, I'm good. We're in a bear market. I'm good. So, I don't know.
Yeah. I know, put it this way. I know that creator coins are going to come back. It's just what happens when the market rallies, right? And so if you believe there's going to be new all-time highs in Bitcoin, that we're going to continue on to the bull market, we'll be over at 130, 140, 150. People are going to make money and get excited and buy stupid crap. That's just what happens. What would you do if you bought the lottery, or if you bought a lottery ticket and then you hit? Let's think about it this way. What would you do if you won the Mega Millions? And all of a sudden you come across $200 million. Are you going to have sound investments? Are you going to take that money and lock it up into T-bills and pass it on to your kids and perhaps pay off your house and not buy anything extravagant and just live off of that money for the rest of your life? Hell no. You know you're going to buy something stupid like a yacht, a bunch of cars you can't realistically afford without that money. And then next thing you know, you're going to dwindle your way down into zero and back to the $50,000 a year because you'll squander away all of your winnings. That is what happens with all people that win lotteries. It's the reality. You win the lottery, you buy stupid shit. It's because that's how human people are designed. That's how you were designed. That's how I'm designed. If I win the lottery, your boy is going to buy some, I don't know. I would, first thing on my list is I would buy a horse and I put it in full armor, the whole thing. You know what I'm talking about? Like you're going to go jousting? Like, first of all, if I pulled up downtown Las Vegas in a horse with armor, I could pick up any woman. Any woman. Hop on the back of the horse. Just, why are you looking at me like that? So anyways, my whole point here is...
What are you talking about?
My whole point here is when people make stupid amount of money, they buy stupid shit. And so when Bitcoin gets to new all-time highs and it gets to $150,000, $200,000, $300,000, people are going to buy meme coins. They're going to buy creator coins. They're going to buy NFTs. They're going to buy stupid shit. That's what people do. You hit the lotto, you buy stupid shit. You make it big in Bitcoin, you're going to buy stupid shit. It's what happens. So to answer your question, when you say, is creator coins going to come back? Are people going to buy meme coins? Absolutely. If you think that Bitcoin's going to break new all-time highs, it's coming. It's not a question, it's a certainty. What dumbass things are going to pop up that people are throwing money at?
Did you say you're going to buy a horse and dress it in a full armor?
Yeah. Dude, man, I've always wanted one of those. There's a couple things that I've wanted that I know I realistically shouldn't buy.
My daughter also wants a pony, you know.
One would be, I've always wanted to become a falconer, you know, like a trained falconer and have the falcon on my arm and have it go out hunting. You know, like, look at these, like, beautiful horses, bro. Like one of these guys, you know, full on armor here, you know. It's like the you know the armor proof Tesla. That's just the medieval version, you know.
What is wrong with you, man?
What? What? You would buy dumb shit if you hit the lotto.
Not a fucking horse in armor.
Why not?
Who says that? I would buy a platypus and circumcise it. Like what? Do we have any confessions here or what, man? Please. Just make some shit up. I don't know, man. I can't listen to the guy over here, the horse jockey.
Okay, I got it.
Okay, thanks.
Run the thing, if we have it.
Oh, the thing, yes. You can't do the tornado, by the way.
I'm sorry.
That's my thing.
All right, so this one is quite long, talking about moose and goose and eggs and bacon and things like that. But then they said, I listened to Robin and bought GALA last year. Big mistake.
Yep. I got that one wrong. You know, I also said last year, buy Cardano. Also said last year, Solana was a great buy. Yeah, you know what? You
As long as you have more winners than losers, man.
Yeah.
Ain't nobody giving you a 100% win rate.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Yeah, the thing is you can go back and cherry pick the winners. You can also cherry pick the losers as well.
My dumbass was buying Flow.
Well, hold on. He also says that he does not blame Rob. He blames me. So.
You?
Yeah, it's my fault.
Nice.
Yeah.
I like it.
I confused and dazed him with my feminine charms.
Wow. Does he know you don't need no man?
Apparently not. Apparently not.
Okay.
Let me see what else I have. Hold on.
Any more Chicago stories?
No, but this one says I opened a D pic in front of my ex my ex in front of my mom.
What? A what?
A dick pic.
Oh, it was like a D pic. What?
Okay. And from my ex in front of my mom at dinner once, and I pretended it was a random stranger sending me random unsolicited photos. You know, I mean, I probably do the same thing. We're all still together? I want to know.
I was being naughty one time, texting my wife, and she's in the car, and I read it out loud. And all three kids were in there. And of course, as soon as I get home, my daughter, Dad, what did you say to Mom? What did you want to do?
I have a way worse story that I cannot tell on here, but I can tell it to you.
Now you have to.
No,
now we're not stopping the show until you tell it. You can leave out certain details, but you got to tell it.
I got a voice memo from somebody. That was not meant for me.
Who was it meant for? Their significant other?
I am.
And was this person a friend? Like, what was the dynamic?
I can't say.
Oh my God, was it a family member? Oh my God, okay. Okay.
I can tell you full detail later.
Okay. Interesting. Wow, at least you didn't get a picture.
That's even more scary, I fear. I don't know. I don't know what's worse. I don't know.
No,
I
the
don't
picture's
know.
definitely worse. The picture's worse.
You
Because
think
then
so?
you can't unsee it. Okay, I got a story.
Okay.
Today's story day.
All right.
Okay, I can't be too detailed because it involves people close. But anyways, someone had a baby and they had just had the baby and they were lying down. The baby was kind of breastfeeding. Any of you that have, or if you're ladies and have kids, or if you're dads and you've been in the room after the baby's born, they're kind of.
Oh, this is hospital?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. In the hospital, blankets everywhere.
Yeah.
So the husband of said wife is standing above her. So she's laying flat, like feet, head. He's standing behind her head, taking a picture down. Well, little did he know that part of her area that just delivered the baby was exposed. And he decides to take that picture and send it in a mass group text to all her family.
No.
Yeah. So everyone saw what looked like a mangled Arby's roast beef sandwich.
No. But you know what? It's natural. It's fine. It's okay. It's kind of embarrassing for the
But
lady.
gee,
I
like
do feel
your
bad.
dad, your mom, your brother, your
I know.
kids, your kids.
I know. But I mean, it's a natural. Hello, the baby just came out. Like, obviously, something's gonna be exposed. Doesn't matter what, but something is gonna be exposed. But I do see your point here.
She cried. This lady cried. I felt bad.
I would have too.
And I saw the text. I was like, "What is that? Is that?"
You like what? Zoomed in?
I didn't zoom in. I was like, "What is that?" I was like, "Oh," and I was like, "Oh." Lost my appetite there for a second.
Jesus Christ.
Yeah.
Anyways,
that'll do it for the show today. We're done.
that's it.
We're done.
We're doing it.
Guys, we want to say we love you. We appreciate you sticking with us through boring ass price action and markets being down and your portfolios are down. We're happy to share even the worst of times with you guys because we know the best of times are yet to come. And so we love you. Make sure you sub to the channel. And we will see you back here tomorrow. Same place, same time. Rob, any parting words before we bazooka out of here?
What should I buy is the question here. I've been just scrolling through, trying to figure out what's a good entry point here.
Cool, man. Yeah.
I'm not seeing anything, though.
Perfect. Cool. All right. Gino, roll the outro. Any parting words? Well, I have this one story. Thank you all very much, guys. Come back here tomorrow.
Cash is cool, Sin City, crypto. Everybody know we here for entertainment and info. Gonna show you how to get that big dough. So every day stay tapped in for big facts, no capping. With Bitcoin, if you're in, then you win. We divide the pie with no fraction. It's Big Rob, David. I spit the game, but they gave it. Named according to your favorite. I got dry powder, why save it? To the OGs, new beginners. Special shout out to the well members. Buy the dip, sell winners. Ain't really nothing you can tell sinners. Tune in for the latest new flavors. They gonna teach us mean coins. They polarizing like barbecue chicken pizzas. I laugh with a major grin. Laggers, we trade them in. Baddies, they came to sin. And sinners gon' play to win. Screaming hola till my bags are flowing over. Hold ya to the moon and to the soul.